Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best fiberglass repair kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any RV owner. Keeping your RV in top shape is key to enjoying those road trips, but let's face it, fiberglass can take a beating. From unexpected encounters with low-hanging branches to the occasional rogue rock, damage happens. Today, we're diving deep into the world of RV fiberglass repair kits to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Better Boat Black Fabric Repair Tape. This heavy-duty black repair tape is designed to fix tears and rips in various materials. It's perfect for awnings, canvas, tents, and more. This tape is a reliable solution for your repair needs. The fabric repair tape creates a waterproof patch that can withstand heat and sun. It's an ideal choice for outdoor fabrics, air mattresses, and vinyl items. This ensures a watertight seal against the elements. This black fabric tape is both durable and flexible, making it easy to use for quick repairs. It's a great addition to any emergency kit. It can be used on pop-up campers, inflatables, and more. The matte black tape blends seamlessly with many materials. It adheres well to tarpaulin, vinyl, upholstery, and leather. It's suitable for hot tubs, umbrellas, seats, and covers. Better Boat is a family-owned American business. They are committed to providing premium quality boat and RV accessories. They stand behind their products, including this fabric tape repair solution, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This heavy-duty tape is perfect for quick repairs on awnings, tents, and more. It's waterproof and flexible, ensuring a lasting seal. If you have a tear in your RV awning or a rip in your tent, this is the perfect solution. It's easy to use and will get you back to enjoying the outdoors in no time. What people say. Worked well to repair rips in awning, very sticky. Thick, rugged, and quite sticky. It sealed the rips in my canvas lawn chair with ease and tenacity. Very high quality. Adheres well to outdoor furniture covers. Number 4. Bondo 00420 Fiberglass Resin Repair Kit. This kit makes it easy to repair holes and scratches yourself. It's perfect for automobiles, boats, and many other surfaces. The repair provides a 100% waterproof seal. This ensures long-lasting and durable repairs, protecting your items from the elements. The formula is strong and versatile, suitable for multiple surfaces. You can use it on concrete, wood, fiberglass, and metal. You can sand it in under 2 hours. This quick drying time allows you to finish your repairs faster and get back to your projects. The kit includes everything you need for the repair. It comes with fiberglass resin, liquid hardener, a plastic spreader, fiberglass cloth, a mixing stick, and a mixing tray. What we like. This kit is designed for easy, do-it-yourself repairs on various surfaces. It provides a 100% waterproof seal, ensuring long-lasting durability. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to fix holes and scratches on your RV or boat, this kit is your best bet. It includes everything you need to get the job done. What people say. The instructions were clear, and everything I needed was right in the box: resin, hardener, fiberglass cloth, and a mixing tray. It hardened exactly as expected and left a solid, watertight seal after curing. Quick and easy, dries fast, sands off fairly well. Dries hard and durable. I used it to reform and build a motorcycle rear fender. Number 3. Poli Boat and RV Restoration Kit. Introducing the Poli Boat and RV Restoration Kit. This complete kit uses a special formula to bring back the shine on your boats and RVs. It eliminates oxidation and protects the fiberglass. Unlike traditional waxes, this formula absorbs into the fiberglass. It creates a barrier against the sun and water. This ensures long-lasting protection for years. Forget endless cleaning sessions. This gel coat restorer means less time cleaning and more time enjoying your crafts. It's easy to use, with no special tools needed. Use it on more than just boats and RVs. It works on jet skis and sailboats too. It can extend the life of your fiberglass, saving you money. This kit is like a time machine for your vessel. Whether it's new or old, it has the magic touch to bring back that factory shine. Each kit includes everything you need to get started. What we like. This kit is your secret weapon for restoring your RV's or boat's glory. It uses a unique formula to eliminate oxidation and bring back that high-gloss finish. If you like a showroom fresh look without the hassle of constant waxing, this is the perfect choice. It's easy to apply and provides long-lasting protection. What people say. It came with the cleaner and pad to remove the oxidation and a bottle of superior fiberglass restoration, protection and shine. The instructions are easy to follow, there are even videos of the process. I scrubbed the entire fifth wheel with Poli prep and it was easy and really stripped off the polish and wax. Number 2. Poli Glow Deluxe Kit, Fiberglass RV and Boat Cleaner. Are you tired of dull, faded fiberglass? The Poli Glow Deluxe Kit is your solution. This kit uses a special formula to bring back the shine and protect your boat or RV. Unlike regular waxes, this product absorbs into the fiberglass. It creates a barrier against the sun and water. This ensures long-lasting protection. Forget about endless cleaning sessions. This gel coat restorer means less work and more fun. It's easy to apply and keeps your fiberglass looking fresh for years. Use it on boats, RVs, jet skis, and more. It works on both old and new fiberglass. This kit can extend the life of your fiberglass, saving you money. Whether your boat is new or old, this kit has the magic touch. It will bring back that factory shine. Each kit includes everything you need to get started. What we like. This deluxe kit is designed to bring back the shine of your RV or boat. It eliminates oxidation and protects against the elements. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution that includes everything you need for a professional grade finish, this is the one. It's easy to use and provides long-lasting results. What people say. Felix kit contains everything you need to refinish and clean your RV or boat. The prep products do a complete job of removing bug spots, oxidation film and other blemishes. The tutorial videos were great for explaining everything and providing warnings as about watching the temperature and adjusting for humidity factors. Number 1. Better Boat Butyl Tape RV and Marine Sealant. Tired of messy caulk? This easy-to-use butyl caulking tape is perfect for RV windows, roof sealing, and more. It's a much simpler solution than traditional sealants, making repairs a breeze. This 1/8-inch thick tape creates a strong vapor barrier. It seals gaps and cracks, keeping water out, and can withstand heat up to 290 degrees Fahrenheit for years. You can rely on it for lasting protection. The 36-foot roll ensures a continuous seal, even around tricky shapes. The paper backing makes application easy and prevents any gaps. It's available in black, white, or gray. This tape sticks to almost any surface, including fiberglass, metal, plastic, and glass. It's a versatile alternative to other sealing tapes. You can use it on various projects. Better Boat is a family-owned American business. They are committed to providing premium quality boat care products. They stand behind their products and your satisfaction. What we like. This butyl tape is perfect for sealing leaks in RV windows, roofs, and more. It provides extra strong water resistance and adheres to various materials. If you are looking for an easy-to-use and reliable sealant for your RV or boat, this is the perfect solution. It's a great alternative to messy caulk and tube sealants. What people say. It creates a great seal. It's very sticky and stays in place while assembly is being performed. Seals everything out, adheres perfectly to the window frames. Use this RV and marine window seal kit, and it worked perfectly for sealing leaks and securing fixtures. Strong adhesion, sticks well to various surfaces without peeling. Flexible and durable, easily molds to edges and gaps for a tight seal. Weather resistant, holds up against rain, heat, and cold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.